we're using this as support, then on the opposite side is your resistance, which many traders commonly use as a stop point for the support sell. So if you break out of here, you use support as your stop. You break out of support, you use this price here as your stop up at resistance. Well, if you look at this, let's see, 200, 400, 600, 800. Okay, so we're talking about 800 pips. That's a huge move. And trading a standard size contract, that would be $8,000 a contract for the euro dollar US dollar. It's unlikely that most of us would have a stop that wide as beginners. So as you can see, that's a consideration when you're making the trade. Okay, let's see, I'm going to redraw my horizontal line. Hold on one moment. All right, now the horizontal line is where it should be. Let's say you did want to do it this way, and perhaps you were trading mini lots where the 800 pips would be the equivalent of $800 at $1 per pip rather than $10 per pip. You could do that as well. So at this point here, you're short. You're holding good up here. Actually, this is an excellent place to place a stop, because it puts you here at break even, depending upon how much room you want to give it. But we've moved down. So if your methodology says I want to give it 500 pips of room, or 200 or 100 or whatever it is, then you follow that accordingly. Okay, so some people would look here and look at these successive highs, and they'd place stops based upon this. Others just want to give it all the room in the world. You may look at this and say, okay, I want to place a stop right here at this particular high, 1.32957. Okay, let's say we did place our stop there. And what we look for when we're in a trade is obviously an opportunity to simply just let the profits run, if that's possible for us. See, we have a lot of sideways action here. And here we go. We hit back up through here, and we get stopped out at that level right there. Okay, so we were short from this line all the way down to this line, which gives us right at about 585 pips, which is a nice amount for our troubles. Again, this is just a simple example. I picked data at random in order to illustrate an easy forex strategy for beginners. Thanks for watching.